one of the largest employers in the region, and they'll take pride in making finishing products for the household appliances industry, such as water filtration, lighting, cleaning, painting equipment, vacuums, and so on. They work with the big brands such as Philips, Lavazza, Brita, Signify, Wagner, Kärcher, Electrolux, Siemens. About the history of the company, 1970, that's when the company was established. So it's a little bit over 50 years at the moment. And in 2000, become part of Fiat Group. In 2002, getting big contract from Philips, and this is when they start expanding. For example, in 2006, they have the first living color lamp made for Philips lighting. And in 2011, 20 million coffee makers mark achieved. This is actually a big number if you think 20 million coffee machines, yeah? The coffee machines, they have all variety and the tablets as well. But more about the factory, in 2018, they started expanding from 150,000 square feet to 215,000 square feet, and they introduced new ERP system. As well, they have assembly area with 550 people around. The whole company has roughly 800 employees, and the assembly area itself only 64,000 square feet. They're super strong with the plastics, and they have 48 injection molding machines. And what is the strong part of that? They have the clamping force from 50 to 160 tons and multicolor pad services. Also, they do provide assembly areas, as I mentioned before, and they do project management, engineering, product development of injection molding and tools. Molding and tools actually done on site, yeah? Another thing, what they have, they of course the ISO 9035 and 14035. They working on the medical 13485, which is coming out really soon. Why we partnering up with those companies? Because the companies who's the US, for them, and well, if they in the US, but they have European market, it doesn't make much sense, you know. So it's good if you have somebody good, reliable, and you know their processes, system, you know their place is clean and tight. I mean, this is very important, believe me or not, because you know there is new shift right now. Everyone's going to Mexico, but what's going on in Mexico? I mean, it's nothing against the Mexico, but some of those, you know, of course, there are good and bad manufacturers, and but it's nice to have something clean environment, you know.